Hello, I wanted to share with you this beautiful new home I have available just for you to come home to. Absolutely brand new construction, 1,687 square feet, 3 beautiful bedrooms on a gorgeous lot that backs up to trees. Shall we go check it out? Let's go. One of the things I love about these homes is the very tall doors and the tall ceilings, 9-foot ceilings. Luxury vinyl plank. When you come in, you've got the hallway coming off to the side with 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Great. Let's take a look at the front bedroom first. Beautiful view out the front window. Gorgeous natural lighting, really luscious feeling carpets, generous closets. And all the interior doors have a lot of character as well. They're not just the standard single solid doors. This one comes with white quartz countertops in the bathroom, white cabinets throughout the whole house, and then a stand-up shower over tub. The next bedroom, right down the hall. Still get a peeking view of the trees over there. That scaffolding won't remain once they finish building next door. Again, generous closets, ample space for an office, a bedroom. Also coming off of this front hallway, we've got the garage. 2-car garage with a tankless water heater and wiring for putting in a car battery, an electric car battery. And this one has beautiful cream tone walls with slightly brown gray floor. We got the laundry room in here, and it's wired for both electric or gas dryer. A beautiful and large hall closet. And then continuing on down the hall, we have the master wing. We've got a large master bedroom, also a fair amount of natural light, especially in the morning. And then the luxury vinyl plank floors continued into the master bathroom. White quartz and cabinets in the master bath as well, with dual but separated vanities so nobody's bumping booties. And then a stand-up shower. Nice wide glass shower door. Water closet. And then a walk-in closet. Beautiful. Linen shelving in the bathroom. Great. Shall we go see the kitchen? So this home is absolutely move-in ready for you to come and make it your own. And in the kitchen, we've got a great accent of gray quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, GE oven and range, microwave, and dishwasher. And then you've got cabinet pantry, the dining nook, and the family room. And so you've got really a great room concept here. Standing in the far corner, you can see all this space. And from here, even from right when you walk in the front door, you can see right out to the backyard. And again, right now you've got this beautiful view of the trees. You see the sun setting over there? And that's the view back towards the front door. And this is the view from the front door out. So if you are looking for a brand new home, I absolutely have the place for you in gorgeous Grass Valley. I would love to show you.